All right, mate. Depot. So it's up 7,000%. This was fantastic, right? If you see something consolidating like this, it was almost like Matic in a way. But you see something consolidating like this and not taking out this spike and consolidating, this is fantastic. And you got a bullish engulfing candle right here. Really need to look out for patterns like this. This is a weekly chart, but you can see what happened then. It was absolutely flawless. That's what you want to see. Personally, I don't really like this at the moment, up 8,000, 7,000%. Not to say I don't like it. I mean, there's going to be trades in there, but I'm not sure if you're buying to hold longer term or whatever. But I would suggest that it's not far away from being done. And it'll need a retrace at some point, maybe down into this level or whatever, and then you're probably better off looking to buy it, in my opinion, if you're buying and holding. Now, if you're looking to trade it, we're red on a 2-week here, so as long as it's red on a 2-week, there's 10 days to go. You don't really want to buy it because there could be more dip. This is likely to be a red 2-week candle because it's the first red 2-week candle in since its inception, basically. So I would suggest that it needs this red 2-week candle, and there's no need to buy this in this period because it can be choppy and it can drop more. So I mean, it's still red on the month, but I don't think it's going to flip green on that 2-week. I really just don't think it's going to flip green on that 2-week. It has done every other time. Look, it's pushed up, flip green, pushed up here, flip green. I would suggest that it needs a red candle. If you're not too convinced with that, trade the new weekly. There's 3 days left until a new week. So if this is going to flip bullish again, well, it's going to do it on a new week. And if I'm wrong about the red 2-week candle, well, then this is going to have to flip green on a new week and push higher, just like it did here, and just like it did here, and just like it did here. You have the one red candle, flip green, push higher. One red candle, flip green, push higher. One red candle, push green, flip higher. Same here. So on a new week, you could attempt to trade this higher and see if it can do the same and flip green here. It is in a parabolic run, so it is possible.